welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful week so far. So today is a jewelry haul, and let me just tell you guys, all of this is from Stella and Dot. One of my very, very good friends on here, Sarah from the Beauty Buzz Hub, sells Stella and Dot. I will leave a link below if you want to get any of this stuff. So honestly, whenever I first saw Stella and Dot stuff, I was like, man, that's expensive. But let me just tell you girls, it is really high quality stuff. And they have tons of sales. They have monthly specials every month. So I am going to get started and show you what I picked out. And let's go ahead and jump in. All of it is really cute packaging also. It's really adorable. Okay, this is the Sutton necklace in gold. And this is it's kind of like a chunky necklace, but you can wear it a bunch of different ways. So you can wear it, man, and on their website, they have a really cool website. It shows you all different ways that you can wear this necklace. It's just a really chunky necklace and it's gorgeous on. It is so pretty, but you can also wear it like the long way, or you can, you know, there's just all different ways to wear it. I haven't worn any of this stuff yet, but I do have some Stella and Dot pieces that I love already. And I'm not doing this in any particular order, girl. I'm really unprepared for this. Okay, the next thing I got was the Jardin chandeliers. And these earrings are perfection. Oh my gosh. I actually have worn these earrings. I wore them Christmas Eve and they are so gorgeous. And the cool thing about these earrings is you can wear, a lot of their pieces are multi-use or multifunctional, if you will, because you can wear them just regular like this, or you can turn it around. Let me show you how it works. And then it's super easy. Just flip this dangly piece off and it's studded earrings. And I just think that's so cool. So whenever you're looking at the pricing of this stuff, think about that. It's not just one pair of earrings because there's two different ways to wear it. You know, so essentially you're getting two pairs. And then also for the necklaces, it's not just one necklace. Like you can really, you know, wear them different ways. Okay, so I got that. What else did I get here? I got the Renegade cluster bracelet. I love this thing and I got it in silver. I have one that I got from Shop Lately in gold, and it's kind of similar to this, but it's not the quality of this Stella and Dot piece. This is really heavy, so you know that it's a good piece, but it's not too heavy to where it's uncomfortable to wear. So that's the Renegade, and I think this is one of their top sellers as far as bracelets go. And then I got, I don't even remember what all I got. That's bad. The Jack in the Bracelet. Now I wanted this for a long time because I think it's funky. I really do. I mean, all of their jewelry is really bold but still classy, and this is just funky. It's got pearls in the center, and then it's kind of like the Renegade to where it has these little pointy things, and it is gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear this piece. I don't know, I mean, I've never seen anyone wearing it, so I'm excited about that. The next thing, random, is a scarf actually, and I had to get this. Now I saw Natalie from Flower Bomb 31, she sells Stella and Dot too. And I saw her mention this scarf a few months back, and I don't know if you guys know this, but elephants are really special to me and Brad because we went to a weekend couples training a few years back, and the mascot for that organization is an elephant. So we have all kinds of elephants in our house. One thing I liked is that it does come with this little bag, so it makes it fun to travel with, or easy to travel with, if you will. But it's a huge, it's one of those really thick, not thick, big scarves, and it's really good quality. I mean, hello, peekaboo. Yeah, that's what kind of mood I'm in. Anyways, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's really soft, and even if you're just wearing like a black or a white shirt, this could really dress it up. I like to keep scarves in my purse because I'm always freezing cold. Okay, next thing. What's this big box? I got the Gabrielle Pearl necklace, and I saw this and I thought it would look really pretty with this bracelet. Oh yeah, it's gorgeous. It's got pearls and then it has also some gold balls on it. And I feel like this one you can wear a couple different ways too. But it's really, really pretty. That would really dress up an outfit. And then I got another elephant thing. This is the wishing bracelet. It's just a gold elephant and I thought it was cutesy. Oh goodness, girl. Next thing I got was a vintage crystal studs. I need a good pair of stud earrings, honestly, because I don't have any. And these are Bam. They're really blingy, but you can even wear these kinds of things with t-shirts to dress up an outfit or to wear it with like a little black dress. That would really look pretty. So, love those. Next thing I got was a Cheryl drop earrings. These are so fun. When I saw these on the website, I was like, I have to get them. I don't even care if I have to pay for them, full price, whatever. They're so unique and they have this little peach stud in the center of it and they are just so beautiful. I'm in love with them. Ooh, I cannot wait to wear those. This next thing is the Paige chevron necklace in silver. Now I have this in gold because Sarah got it for me for my birthday and I love it so much. That's another one you can wear a few different ways and it's just a very versatile piece. It's dainty yet it still dresses up an outfit, you know what I mean? So, and it also pairs well or layers well with other things. So that's the Pave necklace. I think you said, is it Pave or Pave? I'm not sure. I'm not up on my jewelry, but I am getting into it more recently. This is the Amelie Sparkle bracelet in peach. And the reason I got this is because I thought it would look really pretty with these peach earrings. So is this the bracelet? Yeah, this is the bracelet. I think they have a necklace too, but it's just these peach studs with gold on the back, you know? It's really, really pretty, and I thought it looked pretty with those earrings. And then the next thing I got was, this is a huge box. It's the Sutton necklace. Now, that was the first one I showed, the Sutton necklace in gold. And then this is the mixed metals one. And I love this. I cannot wait to wear it. I'm so excited. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm sure you'll be seeing me wearing some of these pieces in upcoming videos because I'm really excited. Oh, here's the Pave, or however you say it, necklace in gold that I previously owned. So now I have a silver one. Is that it? Yep, that's it. So that is my Stella & Dot haul. Like I said, I'll leave a link if you want to shop on Stella & Dot below. All the makeup I'm wearing will be in the description box, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Okay, let me breathe because I'm overwhelmed with jewelry. I don't even know where I'm going to store all this jewelry, to be honest. First world problems, right?